Hi Josie, thank you very much for taking the precious time to do this interview with us today. So firstly, how many years have you been working at Amitime?
Actually, I worked from year 2013, so until now, it's around 12 years.
Could you share from your perspective what kind of company Amitime is?
Amitime is actually not simply called a company. For me, it's kind of a family because it's my first job after I graduated from my college. So actually, I love it and it's my family. Yes.
Yeah. Could you share a story about your experience at Amitime?
Yes, as I informed, Amitime is my first job, and we did have a lot of story. But what appear in my mind is more about my colleagues. My wife is my colleague, so it's my story.
It's a sweet story. And the next question is, challenges and setbacks are inevitable in work. What has been the biggest challenge you have faced at Amitime, and how did you overcome it?
I would say, but the biggest challenge, because I'm an salesman, so I think the biggest challenge should be the sales performance. Because in my career, we did suffer some low points, but anyway, fortunately, I'm still here, so we are keep growing now. So it's fortunately. Yes.
Yeah. And what support or assistance did the company and your colleagues to provide you during this process?
Yes, I did have some encouragement by my colleagues and also my boss. I mean, not only my manager, and also our CEO, Mr. Tong, and also General Manager, Mr. Zheng Asher.
Yeah, and could you introduce one of the company's latest products?
Yes, now we have a full range of R290 commercial heat pumps, with including the capacity from 30, 40, and 80 kilowatts. And performance, I think now is the top. I think top 5 in the market. So now the energy level is around 5.2. So now the SCOP, I mean the energy level is already a triple plus, both in water temperature 35 and water temperature 55.
And what are your aspirations for your future growth within Amitime?
I already worked with Amitime for 12 years, so in the future, I'm looking forward to growing together with Amitime. As I informed, yes, I love this company, so I would say we will keep growing together, yes.
Yeah. For colleagues who are new to Amitime, what advice or insight would you share based on your experience?
I would say love your job, and in the meantime, love your colleagues, because if you don't fall in love with your job, you may not able to have a better result. And for your colleagues, is because you have to stay with your colleagues for a long time. I think except your families, your colleagues is the longest time you may stay together with. So love your colleagues also. Yes.
Yeah, thank you for your advice. And thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to participate in our interview today. Thank you.